If you don't mind, I'm talking about over there.
Oh, don't worry.
I want to get in the movies.
Yeah.
Hey, this shot. Don't do me like that.
I just messing with you. That's all right. You got lights on?
Oh yeah.
Come on. Where you? Hey. You don't got
I'm gonna do shit in this song. I like this. When I turn it on, they just on.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. Oh, I mean, you was on my YouTube channel right now.
Mine ain't working. No. Two crack. Crack, two crack. Not one crack. Not a little bit. It's two.
I need to my wheel like now.
Oh yeah. Ain't no doubt about it.
Yes, sir.
I got you.
Oh hell.
That's all I need.
Oh, hold up. What you doing with it? Hold up. That just don't even look right.
What?
This here, this crap here, with this here.
Okay. This is the white. That's the white. That's the blue.
Okay.
That's the red.
Okay.
That's the yellow in the wheel. And the gray itself is this here. And the black, if you look at the black, on it, the black, everything on that flag is on that bike.
I got to mess with it.
Yeah.
I'm proud of it. Got blue on it.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
My phone inside, so I gotta bump my lights.
Okay.
I bump my lights so they'll work off my phone inside.
Alright.
Cause they're all Bluetooth.
Gotcha. That's nice there.
Huh?
That's nice there. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I ain't got the top on it.
Huh?
Said I ain't got the top on it. There we go.
She light up in the nighttime.
Yes, sir.
She look good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. She look good on this.
Yeah. Now see if I had my phone out here, my traces would stay on.
Oh, okay.
By my phone inside the charge, they will stay.
All right, no problem. I got you.
I usually have these here over here like that when I ain't in it.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah. This is Sean, don't she run good? I got the oldest bike in the group. This is 16, but mine was the first one that came out on in 16.
Okay. Okay.
You got 3 different versions. See, this is a base model. It's the first one to come out, then they did the SL, the SRL, SLR, and the R.
Yeah. Gotcha.
But that was the base model.
Okay, somebody parked in front of y'all.
Yep. All right.
Oh, yeah.
Silverado.
Who's Silverado?
Whoever that was you was hugging just walked up there.